Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Binance is one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, providing a platform for users to buy, sell, and trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. Founded in 2017, it offers a range of services, including spot and futures trading, staking, savings accounts, and more. Binance is known for its user-friendly interface, extensive selection of digital assets, and a native cryptocurrency called Binance Coin (BNB). Making money on Binance or any other cryptocurrency exchange involves a degree of risk, and it's essential to be aware of these risks before you start. Here are some common ways people attempt to make money on Binance. 1. Trading cryptocurrencies. You can buy cryptocurrencies at a low price and sell them when their value increases. This involves analyzing the market using technical and fundamental analysis and making informed trading decisions. It's essential to manage risks and not invest more than you can afford to lose. 2. Day trading. Day traders buy and sell cryptocurrencies within the same day, taking advantage of short-term price fluctuations. Day trading requires a deep understanding of market dynamics and a high tolerance for risk. 3. Holding and hodling asterisk. This strategy involves buying cryptocurrencies and holding onto them for the long term, hoping their value will increase over time. This approach is less active and requires patience. For staking and earning reward asterisk, some cryptocurrencies offer staking, where you can lock up your tokens to support the network and, in return, receive rewards or interest. Binance offers staking services for various cryptocurrencies. 5. Asterisk margin trading. Binance allows margin trading, where you can borrow funds to trade larger positions. This can amplify profits, but it also increases potential losses, so be cautious and understand how margin trading works. 6. Participating in initial coin offerings (ICOs) or token sales. While riskier, you can invest in new cryptocurrency projects during their ICOs or token sales in the hope that the value of the tokens will increase after launch. 7. Arbitrage. Arbitrage involves taking advantage of price differences for the same cryptocurrency on different exchanges. It requires quick execution and monitoring multiple markets simultaneously. 8. Leverage and futures trading. Binance offers leverage trading and futures contracts. These allow you to trade with borrowed funds or speculate on the future price of cryptocurrencies. However, they carry higher risk due to the use of leverage.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.